Hey guys, Brian again. I'm going to show you how to use this NuWave air fryer here with temperature probe. So first thing we can do, we can go ahead and turn it on. It's going to be preheating, temp to 350, and we push start if we wanted that. So I went ahead and pressed start. That's preheating the temperature to 350. In this video, I want to go ahead and show you how to use this and kind of our first review. We've had it for about a month or so, and it's pretty cool. Saves us some time from using the oven and can cook some food pretty quick. And you can adjust this temperature, obviously. So we want it to go up to 350, 360. It'll preheat to that temperature, of course. And once it's preheated, it'll beep twice, and that'll say it's ready, and count down to 10 seconds and beep once more. And then you can go ahead and put your food in here. First, let me start off. It's kind of warm still. This is the tray here. Tray you put the food on here. You don't have to use it. You can use the tray on the bottom there. That's the air circulator on the bottom, and that just helps air get all around the whole little tub here. This is a pretty good sized tub here. You can kind of see the size there, but it's maybe 8 inches by 9 inches or so, something like that. And see, when you take it out, it automatically stops. It'll still be warm, but it stops the process. So let's go ahead and once you push it back in, you can hear it starting again. Once it's preheated, you can actually use the menu option here. That's what we use the most. So you can press menu, and you can actually do this without it preheating as well. So it defaults to 1. So let's look at you can see the different options here. Bacon, bake using baking pan, baked eggs, baked potato, and it just has a list of them here. The example today, we'll use 12 for frozen food. We're gonna make some chicken nuggets here. And you can adjust the menu by pushing up here, and that'll select the different items. And I think you can do up to, it's got 20 there, but it's customizable up to 50 or so. The reheat option here, if you press that, it'll allow you to reheat food. I think the default is 350 Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. And then press reheat to go ahead and start reheating. You can adjust the temperature as desired, but that's the default, so I just stick with that. And you press start to reheat, and it defaults to 15 minutes. So let's go to sear. So what this does is just think of like searing on the grill. Like you just get those marks on it, or you're just doing like a sear at a high temperature for a short period of time. And that's kind of, you'll press sear, adjust the temperature and time if desired, and then you'd press start, pause to start cooking. All right, so while this is cooking, I was gonna look at a few things it makes here. Chicken thighs, chicken breast, dessert, fish, fries. It says shake halfway. Okay, so I guess you would just shake the little pan. Frozen fries, pork, reheat is 14 for something 8 ounces. A medium roast, shrimp, medium steak, sweet potato. Oh, that's cool. Pop-Tart. That's pretty cool. Does anyone even eat Pop-Tarts anymore? That's pretty cool though. You get 2 Pop-Tarts, I guess. Vegetables. All right, so let's check on those nuggets here. I think they're about done. You can kind of hear them sizzling. Most of the time it'll beep, but sometimes you won't hear that beep there. So it's got that little crisp image on the nuggets there. All right, so some crisp, fresh nuggets. And afterwards, you're gonna wanna let this sit. I usually let it ajar a little bit, kind of like that, just so some of the hot air can come out. Give it some time. This just washes off in the sink with the little sprayer mechanism. And then underneath the circulator there, you can just clean with soap and water as well. I think they both are fine to go in the dishwasher as well, but double check on that. So we'll leave that open. All right, so that's my little review and overview of how to work this NuWave air fryer. Hope you found some value in that. Go ahead and subscribe and like, and check out this next vid, guys.